Horrific moment, man is left seriously injured after falling 23 feet from a pole during a Russian folk festival marking the end of winter. Before a man took to the pole, an announcer told the crowd he was almost an Olympic champion in climbing. We can see that he has no protective facilities such as safety ropes at all. As a result, the accident still happened. The video clip shows there was no safety equipment under the pole apart from a sporting mat, which did little to break his fall. Fortunately, he was only slightly injured.